A rich, velvety broth infused with the delicate flavours of tender chicken and succulent corn. Chicken and sweet corn soup is easier to make than you might think, and I'm going to show you how to get that lovely, fluffy featheriness of the egg that runs through chicken and sweet corn soup. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Chicken and sweet corn soup is one of my son Lewis's absolute favourite soups, and this soup only takes 20 minutes to make, so let's get cooking. We're going to start by heating 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in a large saucepan over a low to medium heat. Then we add in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook it gently while stirring for about 1 minute until it's lovely and fragrant. Now add 1 litre or 4 cups plus 3 tablespoons of good quality chicken stock. We're also going to add 1 small chicken breast that's been chopped into small chunks. Turn up the heat and bring it to a boil. So we're going to leave that to simmer for about 5 minutes now. It's a good idea to use the best stock that you possibly can for this to get the most flavourful soup. And if you can use homemade stock, that's even better. I've got a video for some homemade stock, so I'll leave a link to that at the end of this video. But if you can't use homemade stock, then just some good quality shop-bought stock will work fine. So I've got a small tin of sweet corn that I've drained, and we're just going to mush that up a little bit in the tin so that some of the sweet corn kernels are mushed and some are left whole. Add the sweet corn to the pan along with 1/8 of a teaspoon of white pepper and mix it together. Now we bring it back to the boil and simmer for a further 5 minutes. By now that chicken should be cooked through, so we're going to thicken the soup slightly by adding in a cornflour slurry. So we need 2 tablespoons of cornflour mixed with 6 tablespoons of cold water, and we'll pour that in slowly while stirring until the soup thickens. Now I've got 2 eggs that have been whisked together in a small bowl, and while slowly stirring the soup, we're going to pour the egg in a thin stream, and it should feather out as the liquid cooks it. Have a taste of the soup and add in a little bit of salt if it's needed. It all depends on the saltiness of your stock. And then we're ready to serve. Divide it between bowls and top with some chopped spring onions. And there you go, easy chicken and sweet corn soup ready in 20 minutes. Lewis is going to be so happy. And another one of Lewis's favourites is barbecue chicken wings. I've got a video of him, and you can even see him eating the chicken wings at the end. I'll see you over there.